Cool. Hey everyone. And welcome to another stream. I'm glad y'all are joining me. Um, I am going to do things buttons now. Yes. I found the lid for my pen cap, which is nice because I like this pen. Um, and yeah, we actually let's switch it to terminal mode while I talk about sort of the state of things. So last time I was working on this, I was having to build with Maven all the time because the SPT build was broken. And so if we go over, God damn it, if we go over here, we can see that my fix for the SPT build was approved and merged, and so that's great. And so now we can continue and work on the SPT stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm also gonna update my Docker stacks pull request because I got some CR feedback on it. And I'd love to get that merged in because the smaller the patch sets I have to carry around with me, the easier my life. So first things first, let's get the Spark stuff up to date. So let's go git diff, make sure we don't have any, okay. Git pull apache github master, git checkout dash, git rebase master. Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna run build sbt, and we're gonna do, oh, specifically with p Kubernetes. Clean compile, test compile. And so we're going to run that. That's going to take a while. While that's going, I'm going to update my Docker stacks repo. Git checkout dash b full more support ARM64. So then what we're going to do here is, because the CR feedback for this one, I'm also going to put on music. I like music. Do, do, do. Oh, no. And player shuffle. Looking good. Oh, I think my audio settings are fucked up. Let's fix those. Yeah. There we go. I'm going to turn this down a little bit, actually. Cool. So there we go. Music started. Uh, Clean build started. And Docker stacks. Um, um, oh, dude. Um, Okay. I guess, we'll go scaling. Um, um, some containers may support cross building Docker buildx. Mm-hmm. Update arc comment, match, get diff. Master, what else has changed? Base notebook Docker file, okay. Binder. Okay. So I guess what I'm going to do here is essentially we're just going to revert all of those changes. Not the base notebook one, all Spark notebook. There we go. Size notebook. Examples, minimal notebook. Our notebook. Oh. My computer is no longer making the sound of being ready to take off into space. God damn it. Hmm. I do Kubernetes test compile. Okay. If I do Kubernetes compile, does it work? Yeah, okay. So Scalactic triple equals. So that tells me there's probably another fun. God damn it! I hate computers. Where does this come from? Interesting. We don't take it an explicit dependency on it. Dependency tree. I hate computers. I hate computers so much, but it's a good thing I get paid to deal with them. because I also like computers, but the fact I get paid to deal with them means that, like, I'll do shit like sit around and resolve Maven errors. Holy shit, this is a lot of crap. Okay, fuck that. Um, test tree. Okay, so then we'll just look at the output of that, and hopefully that's going to give us dependency tree. Wow, okay, yeah. So, oops. Um, cool. So that'll give us the dependency tree, which we can look at. Fuck yeah. Okay. Oh wait, no, I already beat max up. Test tree, and I am looking for something with Scholastic getting housed. No. That's weird. Oh, I can't spell. Okay. Why is this marked S everywhere? Okay, SBT dependency tree. Yeah, damn it, this is what I was looking at last time. I was so confident that we had resolved these issues. Okay. Well, yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay. So these are all tagged S, whatever that means. Let's go take a look at Scala test. Maven. Scala test plus. Okay. Let's go take a look at Scala test plus. So this is Selenium 3. Scala test plus Selenium. Okay. Scala test plus. Okay. So let's go take a look at the versions. Here we go. So our Scala test version is not in this list. What the fuck? Three point two point nine versus 3.2.5. Okay. Oh, hey. Yeah. So. Why is this so janky? Let's go take a look at versions. So Scala check version, we have 1.5.4. So that means we should be using. Wait, we're doing 1.15.4. Okay, so, and we're using Scala check. Are we using Scala test plus? Yeah, we are using Scala test plus Scala check. 3 dot. I would say high performance Spark is still relevant. Other versions maybe not so much. Like my early Spark books are not super relevant. I would like to look for Scala check. Scala check dash 1-15. Yeah, I mean the core parts have not changed all that much. Like there's lots of things on top of it which have, but you know, hmm, hmm. This looks like it should work. I guess I'm just confused. Okay, let's go back to I have a theory about this. Build um Scala. No, okay. They're all resolving the same. Um, if I look over here, hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay, whatever. We're gonna do test compile. We're gonna see where it explodes. Not all that much. Um, so this is the triple equals. Oh, okay. Um, with y log class path. Okay. Um, but yeah, no, I haven't really done much with Scala 3 because Spark is still just Scala 212, and honestly, I'm trying to get things up to that point. Um, hmm. Like, still getting everything onto Scala 212 is still um, a pain. So that's realistically where I'm at. Okay. Okay, cool. So, uh, let's grab this. Hmm. Uh, sure. Um, huh. Peg down, flex mark, Java. Huh. That's weird. Yeah. Okay. This is the weird thing. Like, we have Scala check, don't we? Yeah, we do. 1.15.4. I go over here and I look at Scala check. Oh, wait, what? Oh, wait, yeah, yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. If I build this without the Kubernetes profile, clean, test compile, does this work? No. Ah. Switch to JDK 11. Hmm. I mean, I guess we can just do this in Maven. I just... Hmm. Okay, whatever. 3.2.9. Let's go take a look at Scala test. Org Scala test. What are the releases? Quick start page. Hmm. Okay, let's take a look at the release notes and see if there's... Oh, hello. Hi, CKIP. Um, so... Yeah, I mean, okay, this improves support for Scala 3, but it's pain in the ass with Scala 2.12. I wonder if maybe... Okay, no, none of them are resolving the underscore 3. Okay, where is... Okay. Let's try explicitly adding this as a dependency. Doot, doot, doot. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, it's Spark. Um, Today, and it's just being weird. Hmm. 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 I don't. Ah. I mean. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. I do not know why this isn't building with SPT. Like, this normally. Okay, okay. Alexa, create a 15-minute timer. Hmm. Hmm. What about if we check that out? Let's put that into. So, yeah. So, Spark's build of record is Maven. Um, but I like using SBT, and some other developers used to as well, but it's looking like maybe not so much um, anymore based on all of my issues trying to compile it with SBT. Um, um, but SBT gives us faster incremental builds, and I find it easier to do tests and stuff. Um, I didn't mean to do a clean compile. I meant to do a test compile. We'll do that in a second. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's the other thing that we can do is look at the pom.xml, see what else has changed in it. Fuck. Okay. Upgrade orc. It's me. Because kinesis. Maven Shade. Shell. Ivy version. Jetty version. Infra increasing the. Um, which version of SBT is this? And maybe I need a newer version of SBT. Okay, this is 154. Let's take a look at the SBT versions. Sure, download. Okay, no, 154 is the latest. So if I do that, yeah, it doesn't work. I do not know what's going on. Nothing on my class path. Yeah. Any jars in here? Okay. Well. Okay. And okay. Okay, it's launching 1.5.4. Do test compile. Okay. So this is all inside of common. So let's go take a look at the common build. I think common tags pop.xml. Okay. So then I think uh, so from what I see here though, common sketch src test. Um, hmm. Hmm. That's some interesting stuff to see in the logs. Oh no, it's just the same logs that we've seen before. Um, that's bloop. Hmm. 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 So this is interesting. We're seeing this warning coming up from metals too. Uh, that's just okay. Hmm. Okay. So we're gonna try and clean up. Yeah, whatever. Actually, let's just clean up the IV cache completely. And same thing for the M2 cache, because, like, honestly, okay. Clean, test, compile. Oh, Alexa went to sleep. Alexa, how much time is left on my timer? Yeah, I'm gonna give myself 3 more minutes to try and see if I can resolve these, like, weird SBT build issues before I just, like, give up. Oh, hey. Hi, Babu. Oh wait, there's a binder directory. Am I just... Hmm. So special artifacts. Um, Possible this was just a cache issue, which would be annoying, but we've had those before. That looks like that might be what it is, because if it's doing a core test compile, I'm pretty sure core test depends on common test, so it should have done common test already. But it's possible that's the other way around. Okay. Okay. Misplaced optimism. Possibly misplaced optimism. I really hope this works. I really, really hope this works, because then I can just do the SBT builds, and those are just faster, and I am lazy. And yeah, I am lazy. And so fast compile test cycle makes it easier to just like throw shit at the wall and see what's happening. And if I'm having to use Maven, I have to think a lot more about what I'm doing, because it's slower and I can't just write some code and see if it works. I would prefer to be able to write some code and see if it works. So let's hope. I'm thinking though that it probably has worked, because I don't think we would be able to get to SQL test compile otherwise. Okay, yeah, I'm maybe not lazy. I prefer to let the compiler do my work for me when I can. And so if I can make fast, what's it called? If I can have a fast test compile cycle, that makes my life easier. So that is what we will go for. And it's looking like we might be able to do that. Cool. So yeah, things are looking up. I'll let it finish compiling first. Okay, Alexa, stop. Data engineer versus full stack dev. I mean, yeah, I think of myself as probably more of a data person. Like, I do have some random things, but honestly, I've gotten to the point in my life now when I want like a web page, I tend to give someone money to make it for me, because it just works out so much better. My own like stuff isn't so great. I mean, so this is some of my job today. Let's see if the Kubernetes one test compiles successfully. Yeah, still morning. Last night was the one where I was working late on a personal project of fun. Because I mean it was fun. But yeah. I mean this is fun too, but this is in part for day job. Okay, thank God. Thanks. So we're gonna run the Kubernetes tests. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah. I mean, only open source stuff. Right, so like there's lots of things that I don't stream. But like when I'm working on Spark, it's something that I do feel comfortable streaming. Okay, cool. That looks solid. We probably don't need that either, so we'll just stash that just in case. And yeah, the Maven cache is okay. So I'm gonna double check what it is we're doing and try and figure out how I'm gonna test it. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend. Yeah, so I guess let's go look at the Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend test suite. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend suite. Seems like a good place to start. Oh, okay, and this is actually gonna ask me, yes, I'm okay watching it for LSP. So here we go. So I think, what did I change? Did I change do remove or do kill? We've got label low priority execs. And so that's coming from inside of do kill executors. So what I'm going to do is in the kill executor test, what I would do here. Oh, LSP is broken. Oh, that's probably because my bloop directory is broken. So label low priority executors. So this goes ahead. I would like to. Do I have the Kubernetes client? Okay, then there's pod operations. Okay. Okay, here we go. So what I'm going to do here is inside of, okay, return labeled pods. That looks reasonable. And so then, oh, because that's coming inside of a runnable. Where the exception is just getting eaten. Okay, so then when labeled pods, in name space, okay, labeled pods. Let's go take a look at our labeled pods. Yeah, so this goes pod list. In namespace. Well, okay. In namespace, any then return labeled pods. When labeled pods with name, so we're just gonna do some things here. Pod 1 and pod 2. Have a good one. Mock class of pod. Pod 1 dot when pod 1 dot and val pod 1 metadata is equal to mock class of pod metadata. Get metadata, then and actually, I'm just going to do this for now. Even though I know it's not the right class, I just don't remember what the right class name is, and if I do string, the compiler will yell at me and tell me what the right class is. The other thing that I'm going to do as a sort of temporary hack, even though we do want to do this asynchronously in practice, while I'm working on the test, it's going to be easier if I have this execute in the main thread instead of like submitting it. So we'll comment that out, and then we can hopefully actually get more useful errors. Okay, cool. And so it is expecting object metadata, so that's what we're going to return. Oh. Okay. It looks like maybe, okay. So this is saying if I go Kubernetes client pods, in namespace is not a member of that? Oh, okay. Enjoy your rest. So maybe, okay. pod operations in namespace any, then return by okay, so we'll run this. Cool. So yeah. I guess I'm not. Non-namespaced. Does that even make sense? Okay. Okay. This is kind of jank, but it's test code and I'm lazy. So we are gonna just try and get it working and then we'll clean it up. Okay, so then instead of I sort of labeled pods, this is going to be I guess actually let's call this operation. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Pod 1, pod 2. So here, what I want to do is one operation with name return. Yeah, okay, cool. I think this is the one that I want. Val pod 1 op, pod 2 op. pod2 metadata. Oh yeah, okay. When pod2 metadata get namespace and return. Coffee. When pod1 metadata we'll just make it the same. Otherwise, it's going to be confusing. Because we don't, strictly speaking, support like cross. Get name and return pod2. And we'll do pod1 first. Okay. And think. Okay, whatever. Let's run test. Okay. Metadata. 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 Instead of NS, it is operation. Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. Yeehaw. Okay. Never wanted but invoked labeled pods dot delete. That's confusing. Oh. If I get rid of those. then it's going to pass. Okay. Now, if I put in pod 1, it's going to give me that error message, or at least it should. Okay. Oh. And then we can verify that this does delete the pod. Cool. I dig it. Wanted, but... Oh. Wanted, but never invoked. Interesting. What? What did I just do? Okay. I am very confused. That's okay. Okay. Never wanted button vote on line 210. Ah, there we go. Okay. This makes sense. Okay. So I think what I'll do here, this is my plan, is yeah. So this will be where we verify it. This sounds reasonable. The other thing that we would want to do here, to do verify never labeled, to do verify never labeled. Does that sound right? No, actually. Verify. Pod 2 op. Um, mm, verify pod to op never edit. Okay, I think that makes sense. But we also do need to put something in the comp. Um, Kubernetes. Uh, um, okay. So I okay, cool. He's failing. Null pointer exception. Line 195. Solid. Yeah. Okay. Uh, okay. So, ah, here we go. This is the kill executor side. So, um, we've got Spark app ID. With label, in. Wait, why is this giving me? I would think this would not give me an exception. Okay, so line 195. So this is saying that Spark app ID label application ID. So this is not. Okay. Except yeah, no, that's the same. Oh. Okay. Um. I guess. Yeah. Um. With field. Uh. Hmm. So we'll go up here. Uh. Okay. I'm gonna with field in. Okay, status.phase Kubernetes. Eddies status dot phase. What are the phases? Um. Okay. Pending. Um. Hmm. Hmm. This is interesting. So terminating is actually not a pod status. Um. Hmm. Okay. I'm just guessing about the API right now. I'm hoping it's there. Hmm. Because the thing is, I want to do this to pending pods. Actually, almost especially to pending pods, because a pending pod is essentially free for us to evict in my worldview. Um. Hmm. So yeah. Um. Eh. So we'll go ahead and we'll swap. We'll go with label. Oh, yes, that's okay. And we'll make this with label. Yeah. Okay, cool. Different. Hmm. Okay. Um. Can I do this? Hmm. Ambiguous reference. Um. hmm. So I think it's the thing. I don't really care how we added it. Um. But it's going to be Java util function. Uh. e- Uh. Um. Hmm. 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 Um. Uh. So I don't actually know how to fix this. So let's go ahead and mock. Okay. How to no, I don't. I don't understand. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Yes, yes. Fine. Yes. Huh. Okay. Magic. Okay, there is hope. Wait, what? No, I don't want to do that. Yeah. Uh, 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 hmm. Um, okay. Well, let's see what happens if I give it a class of. Maybe that'll do the trick. I don't know. Hmm. Okay. Uh. Hmm. 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 I'm hungry, which normally means my thinking not so good. Hmm. Okay. Um. Hmm. This is pretty close to what I want, but not quite. Um. Why is any not super happy here? Because I really don't care what type it is. Uh, hmm. 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 Okay. Yes. Um. Hmm. Okay. So we can give it the class. This may simplify my life. Um. Okay. Um. Fine. That's a concrete type here. Okay, cool. So that looks like that does the trick. Although this is kind of long. Um, but that's okay. Okay. So run that. Okay, yeehaw. Um. Ah. So okay, driver endpoint send. Yeah, this is line 222. Okay. Um. Does that make sense? Um. So. um. Wanted, but it happened twice on line 635. A Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend 222. I do not know why that would happen twice with my changes. That is confusing. Um, Okay, Kubernetes course grain scheduler backend. Course grain scheduler backend. Let's go. Remove executor. Okay. So let's do a git diff, see what we've changed. Um, yeah, I don't know what to do. Um, I've ticked it forward twice. Oh, so I've ticked it forward. And now we're verifying that labeled pods delete. Which... I bet I know what it is. Okay, okay. Think I understand what's going on. I think it's this. This is my theory. I could definitely be wrong. Yeah, looks like I am. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. So, okay, we verify that if I get rid of this, it'll probably pass. And then I have to, nope. Line 201, okay. I don't know. Why is this getting triggered twice? And why when I take this out? Okay, goddammit. Okay, okay. So we need to do more than that. We need to actually return a concrete array list that is wait, pod list, get items. So that's fine. Oh, wait, what? Okay. Okay, my brain. Line 201 is the null pointer exception. But there should be no pause, so this shouldn't matter. I think. Okay. Okay. This is starting to make slightly more sense, and I think I know what we're gonna do. So this is actually gonna be pod 1 here, yeehaw, and then there we go. Whoop. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So if we give a concrete pod, this should make sense. Or this okay. Let's take a look at what I'm doing and see if this makes sense. Okay, we've added the pod metadata. Alexa snooze. It's my alarm to get lunch. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay. Then return pod list. Okay. Then over here. Okay. Oh yeah, and then we'll go here. Get rid of that. Okay. So let's see here. Tests are so much fun. Wanted but not invoked, labeled pods dot delete. Okay. Oh yeah, that does not need to be there. Or more specifically, this should be never, because there are no pods to delete. Oh, and maybe I need to get rid of this too. I mean, I don't need to, but I think I can. I think that's unnecessary. Okay. This looks semi-reasonable. So we're going to do a commit because at least it works here. Test is now passing. Test is now passing. Switch mock class of pod to a concrete pod to verify that is the pod which gets edited. Then go back over here. Rerun it with that kicking off in a separate thread. Not a party. Okay. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend. Cluster scheduler backend. Okay, scheduler backend under test. Where is our executor service? Come from executor service. Okay. That is a scheduled executor service. Scheduled executor service. Alexa, snooze. Let's try this. And I'm gonna try and make it tick 1 millisecond. Okay, let's go find the deterministic scheduler. Okay, yeah. So instead of tick, dot tick, that's 1. Run until idle? No, that's not working. Dot x. Okay. Okay, let's go. Executor service. Or do I need to go? Nope. I have no idea why this isn't working. Okay, let's go double check. What? Oh yeah, so I really don't care about the type. At some time in the future. Hello. Hello. Okay. I think maybe I want to do some other kind of submission. So it looks like this is not behaving how I want. Okay. Let's go take a look at the heartbeater.scala. I don't want to schedule at a fixed rate though. Alexa, snooze. Alexa, snooze. Okay, let's go take a look at threadutils.scala. Uh, oh. Running the collar thread within what? I don't need the type though. New fork join pool. Ready, shut down. I guess I could do parmap on this. Private lazy val. Uh, uh, label thread. Label pool. Yeah. I guess. Thread util. Kate's pod labeler. Label pool. Okay. Probably have to import thread utils. Yeah. Oh no, it's imported. Oh, thread util. For now. Instead of lazy, only construct if needed, and only shut down if needed. Okay. Damn it. It looks like this is not working. Like label pool execute label task. Yeah. So if we comment this out, and comment this out, and then we go ahead, we comment this out, and we comment this out, and we rerun it. Do not need Scala style. I just want to run my test. Passes. Okay. Maybe. Alexa, stop. I have an idea. So, yeah, we're going to just go back to using executor service. And hello, Tani. Eventually? Oh, yeah. I'll okay. Do we have eventually? No. Hmm. Okay. What about the deterministic thread pool thing? Yeah. Deterministic scheduler. Scheduler. Yeah, this is the one. The JMock one. It wants to do execute. Run until idle. So why? Okay, scheduler executor service. Executor service. Yeah. Okay. Run until idle. So why is whatever I submit not running immediately? Um okay. Hmm. Okay. Um deterministic scheduler.java. We'd like to find deterministic scheduler Java implementation. Okay. Cool. So, okay. Schedule. So, okay. Hypothetical. Oh, yeah. We call that. That works just fine. But when I delegate it to the executor service, it does not. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, this looks like it should work. I do not know why. Okay. Let's take a look at how schedule works. If delta q is empty or delta q dot delay is greater than 0. So delta q dot add 2 ticks delay unit. So So that should give us 0. And then that's fine. Okay, delta Q. Okay. So this should be returning 0, and this should be getting executed. And it looks like regardless of what executor I use, it's behaving funky. Like, I don't... Hmm. Okay. Thread utils dot same thread dot execute. This is in the same thread. It should work. Okay. Bloop. I mean, the other option is I can just put in eventually. And I think that should work. But I'm confused why executor service isn't doing what I expect it to do. So let's so what we'll do here instead of run until idle is we're gonna tick 1 second. And in theory, from what I've seen of the code, this should definitely run our runnable, but it does not. And I do not know why. Okay. What about, hear me out. We're going to replace .execute executor service .schedule, and we're going to give it 1 millisecond. Okay, yeah? It's possible. I don't know. Whatever. Okay. Label pool. Execute, and we'll just do that lazy val label pool. Label pool. Prefix label pods, max threads, I don't know, 10. Keep alive, 120. Just for now. This is just throwing some shit on the wall. I don't even remember how to sleep for a second at this point. Java, sleep for 1 second. Okay. Time unit. Dot. Okay. Oh, wait. Am I putting this in the wrong place? That would totally 100% make sense. Yep. Okay. And so actually, I think we can do this without the label pool. I think I was just putting the thread waiting in the wrong time. And that's why it was not a party. Scheduler. Okay, executor service. Okay. 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 Fingers crossed. Except instead of executor service, it is scheduler executor service await idle. Scheduler executor service. Execute. Okay. Run until idle. Run until idle. Fuck yeah. Okay, there we go. Yeehaw. -am. Make the labeling happen using the executor service. Oh. Okay, cool. And so there we go. I think I was doing something else over here, right? Okay, yeah, we'll clean that up really quickly too. Docker file. So then we'll go SciPy notebook, Docker file, that. Set this to Jupyter. TensorFlow notebook, Docker file. Okay. Oh. Okay. Docs, index.rst. Back out, unrelated changes. Cool. So then over here, we're looking solid. And I am going to raise a work in progress PR. I have a meeting in 20 minutes. I'm going to go, actually. Yeah. We can raise a work in progress PR another day. Yeah, that's the ticket. So, thanks everyone for joining me. We got to spend a bunch of time screwing around with the build file. You too, Taniwa. Take care. I hope you all have a lovely and safe week. And yeah, see y'all around.